Good morning, children. I hope that all of you understood degrees of comparison, isn't it? Now we are going to do the worksheet. Are you ready? Okay. How many degrees of comparison? 3. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, dark, comparative, darker, superlative, darkest. Positive degree, no comparison. Comparative, comparing two things, and we have to add er with the adjective, and after adjective you have to use than. Superlative, one among all. We are comparing one among all. You have to add est with the adjective, and you have to, before adjective you have to use the. And one more thing, for more than 2 syllable word you have to use more for comparative and most for superlative degree. Okay, see, when do we add er, when do we add ier, just see there. Okay, one syllable ends in 2 consonant or a single consonant, you have to add er or est. See the word ends in 2 consonant or a single consonant, you have to add er and you have to add est with the adjective. Okay, for example, long, longer, longest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Next, when an adjective one syllable ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, the consonant is doubled before er and est. See, the words ends with a single consonant preceded by a short vowel. See, before a word ends with the vowel consonant, you have to add double consonant. Example, see, hot, hot, you have to add again t and then add er, hotter, hottest. Fat, see, vowel consonant, so fatter, fattest. Next, when an adjective of one syllable ends in y preceded by a consonant, we change the y into I before adding er and est. I told you already, when a word ends with the y consonant, change the y into I and add er and est. See the example, happy, change the y into I, happier, happiest, merry, merrier, merriest. Exception, see the exception, shy, you have to add shyer, shyest. This is exception. But when the word ends with a consonant y, you have to change the y into I and you have to add er and est. This is the exception, shy, shyer, shyest. But the final y is preceded by a vowel, we simply add er and est. For example, the word ends with the vowel plus y, you have to add er and est. Gay, gayer, gayest, grey, grayer, greyest. The words ends with the consonant y, consonant plus y, you have to change the y into I and add er and est. The word ends with y before vowel y, you have to add er only. Okay. See, adjectives of 2 syllables ending in er, le, y and ow generally form their comparative and superlative in the same way as adjectives. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Happy, happier, happiest. Mellow, mellower, mellowest. Okay, but adjectives of more than 2 syllables and many adjectives of 2 syllables form the comparative and superlative by means of more and most. Ends with the words adjectives are more than 2 syllable, you have to add more for comparative and most for superlative. Careful, more careful, most careful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, see, fill in the blanks by using degrees of comparison. My house is big dash than yours. They are comparing only 2 members. And what is this? Is it comparative, or if they given than, what is this? Comparative or superlative? Yeah, comparative. So, see, vowel, consonant, so double consonant. bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. My house is bigger than yours. Okay, see, Andrew is dash fast runner on the team. They are comparing one among on full team. So what is this? Yeah, superlative. Superlative means what should you add with the before adjectives? Yeah, T-H-E, the fastest, F-A-S-T-E-S-T, fastest, the fastest. This flower is beautiful dash than that one. So beautiful, more than 2 syllable word. So what should you add? More than. It is comparative. So more beautiful. More beautiful. Okay. A holiday by the sea is good dash than a holiday in the mountains. So this is comparative. For good, what do we write? Yeah, better. The weather this summer is even bad than last summer. Then they given, this is comparative, bad comparative, worse. You have to write yourself, children. The gold necklace is the dash expensive one in the whole store. So they given this is superlative, expensive, yeah, more than 2 syllable word. So most expensive. I think mathematics is difficult dash than English. So you have to write your own, children. Annie usually gets up dash in her sister. A turtle moves dash slow than a rabbit. Giraffe is a dash animal in the world. Write in a rough note, okay? Next, positive, comparative, superlative. You have to fill in the table. Tall, yeah, taller, tallest. Close, closer, closest. Big, bigger, biggest. Happy, happier, happiest. Good, better, best. Yeah, pretty, yeah, prettier, prettiest. Okay. Next, short, intelligent, clever, famous, fast, long, beautiful, interesting, smart. Okay, write in a rough note, children. Okay, I will send a worksheet in a PDF format. So do the exercise. Thank you.